All right, so if you guys are ready for summer, outdoors, you're gonna be grilling on something like a flat iron. All the grease is gonna come to your clothes, especially if you're hosting a party. You wanna make sure you get your apron, all right? And this is a manly apron, right? It's all leather, perfect protection. Hey, you never forget your phone. You got your phone ready, and you always have your utensils ready too. So if you guys are ready to grill, even with shorts, look at this. I'm wearing shorts, so if any kind of splashes come happen in here, you can use it indoors and outdoors. This is a great option to have. It's a little heavy than other ones, but it's gonna give you a better protection. Now, this cover itself is not just for grilling. If you are a carpenter or a hobbyist and you work on your hobby or you're actually carpentry, this is another protection layer. So because it's leather, you're gonna be able to weld, do other stuff. And the cover is very, very, very awesome how they added all these extra pockets in here, so you could carry your tools, your hammers, and make it a little heavier than what it is, but it's going to protect you from those things. So if you guys are looking for something like this for all sorts of things that you want to do, you're from hobby to cooking. So if you guys can see, I'm working with a lot of oil. I want to make sure I protect all my stuff. Move everything out, and I got a lot of grease working with this, and this is, it came out perfect. I love this thing wearing it because I know that it protects me from all the grease, all the oil. And you got to be careful sometimes, but I can't protect your arms, but you can protect at least your body. This is perfect for those that are working on flames because it's like leather, very thick, really flexible. I like the extra pockets that it comes with. So if you guys are looking for something for your summer barbecues, or for everyday life that you work, if you're a chef, very good. Now, the only thing it's really long. So this is gonna cover, like I have shorts underneath, so you guys can see. So I don't have to worry about the grease hitting to my legs or below because this thing covers you up pretty good. So you guys are looking for a nice chef apron. I hope you guys enjoyed the video.